Hi everyone, Archana here. I am super excited to show you this beautiful, wonderful, very different kit which has 3D product by Scrapnic. I'll show you. This is the big wardrobe kind of product is here in this kit. So the purpose of putting this one I will show you in a minute, and it's very heavy and very large piece, like it's 10 by I think 10 by 8 or 9 the width, so it is big project. And then I have added this small cute Prima album in this kit, since it has a drawer and it goes well in this drawer, so this one. Then I have added Prima flowers which are perfectly matched with this collection called Passion. You can see they are almost meant for this collection, right? These flowers are so cute. So one of this Prima's nature lover collection flowers, all the different kinds of roses in there, different sizes and colors. And then I have added one of the lights, LED lights string, and I'll show you why I did that. And I have added 8 by 8, which is enough paper pad for this, but if you want more of these, you can buy individually. If you buy any of individual item, I will combine the shipping with the kit. Anyway, if you are going to purchase from the store, it will automatically combine the shipping. So we have 8 by 8 passions, and then I have added these collectibles. It's so pretty, and if you want to see all these papers in detail inside, I have video link in the below description box, where I have show all new Stamperia collections. And then I have added these sticker sheets, chipboard sticker sheets, and this is the kit available right now. And I have kind of unfinished project. I am giving a tutorial using this whole kit, and I have one unfinished project here, so I will show you what exactly we are making. So this is huge big wardrobe, so I am going to show you the measurements of this one. So let's put this on our scale. So this one is 10 and a quarter by 6 and a half, the length, and the width or tall, it's almost 9 by 10 and a quarter. So this is really big size piece. And as you can see what I have created here, this is like a stage. It's actually a wardrobe, and it's baby theme wardrobe, but you can purchase this individual item as well. It's listed on craftycity.com, and I have used this as a stage. Look at this very good and big space to create something dramatical. So I have used one of the chipboard piece, and I make her stand right there. And you can see I have used another 3 chipboards here, the musical instruments, the violin and the piano and this trumpet. So I just sticked little bit tilted there, so it gives some 3D effect. And the papers I have used from the same collection. I created some bouquet on the corner, and this dreaming sticker is also from our collection. And I will show you what we did with the light. So I have also tutorial with the lights, and this wardrobe comes with this chipboard pieces, 5 of them, very strong and very big size chipboard pieces. So these tags measures 4.5 by 7 and almost 7.5. So they are 5 very strong pieces. And I have added lights here, so I will just turn them on. So you can see there are lights inside the wardrobe, and then I have run these lights through the ceiling like this. You can see inside. Isn't it pretty? So I have whole tutorial how to assemble the lights and all when you purchase the kit. I will post the tutorial link, or I will post my tutorial on YouTube and I'll share the link. So this is very pretty project, right? So the tutorial will be open on my YouTube soon. And then you can see this drawer. It's a very big drawer. You can see it's 5.5 by 5.5 almost, I think. We'll see the measurements right here. So this one is 6.25 by 6. So it is quite a big album. So you can even create your own album using 6 by 6. But you know what? I have added this very cute tiny Prima album, and it goes perfectly in this, like that. So this is the kit I have came up with, and I hope you will like it. And please check the store. I have limited kits since I have limited wardrobes. That's what I do have a lot of passion collections, papers and other things, but the wardrobes I have limited, so I have created limited kits. So please check it out if you are interested. And definitely I am showing you all the tutorial how to assemble this wardrobe, how to stand this image, how to run this light here, and then the tag book and this mini album you can decorate on your own. So this is everybody's choice how to decorate their own album. So that's what I don't want to do tutorial on that, but definitely on all basic things I am going to show you in the tutorial. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.